Welcome to Science Store online classes.
Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.
Hello students, welcome to Maths online class. In today's class we will discuss the formulas which are in trigonometry. I list out all formulas together. So now important formula in trigonometry. So first formula, so in the beginning we studied radian measure. What is the formula? It is pi divided by 180 into degree measure. Degree measure is equal to what? 180 divided by pi into radian measure. Length of arc is equal to L is equal to r theta. Sin x is equal to 0 if x is equal to n pi, where n is any integer. And cos x is equal to 0 if x is equal to 2n plus 1 pi by 2. Cosecant x is what? 1 by sin x, and x should not be equal to n pi. All these conditions you know. Secant x is equal to 1 by cos x, x should not be equal to 2n plus 1 pi by 2. Tan x is sin x divided by cos x, and x should not be equal to 2n plus 1 pi by 2. Cot x is equal to cos x divided by sin x, and x should not be equal to n pi. So now next is sin square x plus cos square x is equal to 1, identity. 1 plus tan square is equal to secant square. 1 plus cot square is equal to cosecant square. Next formula is sin of minus x is equal to minus sin x. Cos of minus x is equal to cos x. Tan of minus x is equal to minus tan x. Cosecant of minus x is equal to minus cosecant x. Secant of minus x is equal to secant x. Cot of minus x is equal to minus cot x. The next formula is cos x plus y is equal to cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Cos x minus y is equal to cos x cos y plus sin x sin y. Now sin x plus y is equal to sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. Next sin x minus y is equal to sin x cos y minus cos x sin y. So next formula is tan x plus y. What is the formula of tan x plus y? Tan x plus tan y divided by 1 minus tan x into tan y. Next x minus y. Tan x minus y is tan x minus tan y divided by 1 plus tan x into tan y. Cot x plus y is cot x cot y minus 1 divided by cot y plus cot x. Next cot x minus y is equal to cot x cot y plus 1 divided by cot y minus cot x. Now next cos 2x. Cos 2x formula is cos square x minus sin square x. Cos 2x is 2 cos square x minus 1. Cos 2x is 1 minus 2 sin square x. Still more formulas are there. So write down all these formulas in one sheet. That means in continuation of your notes. So if you write all those formulas together, then it is easy to remember. So now so cos 2x is 1 minus 2 sin square x. Next formula is cos 2x is 1 minus tan square x divided by 1 plus tan square x. Next sin 2x, it is 2 sin x into cos x. Sin 2x is 2 tan x divided by 1 plus tan square x. Tan 2x formula is 2 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x. Next sin 3x formula, it is 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. Cos 3x is 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. Tan 3x formula is 3 tan x minus tan cube x divided by 1 minus 3 tan square x. Next, tan pi by 4 plus x, the formula is 1 plus tan x divided by 1 minus tan x. Tan pi by 4 minus x is 1 minus tan x divided by 1 plus tan x. Now next, sin x plus sin y, the formula is 2 sin x plus y by 2 cos x minus y by 2. Sin x minus sin y is 2 cos x plus y by 2 sin x minus y by 2. Next, cos x plus cos y is 2 cos x plus y by 2 cos x minus y by 2. Cos x minus cos y is minus 2 sin x plus y by 2 sin x minus y by 2. Now next, 2 sin x cos y, the formula is equal to sin x plus y plus sin x minus y. 2 cos x sin y is sin x plus y minus sin x minus y. 2 cos x cos y is equal to cos x plus y plus cos x minus y. And last formula is minus 2 sin x sin y is equal to cos x plus y minus cos x minus y. So how many formulas are there in trigonometry chapter? There are 46. Nearly 46 formulas are there. You should know all these formulas. Without knowing these formulas, you can't simplify the trigonometry. If you don't by heart these formulas, otherwise if you don't by heart these formulas, you feel difficulty. Okay, sums on this trigonometry chapter feel difficulty. That's why. So study all these formulas. Total 46. I wrote all formulas together. Okay, so totally 46 formulas. Study these formulas. Now we will discuss some problems. So first problem is find the value of sine 75 degrees. Important question, important for 2 marks. Find the value of sine 75 degree. Is this 75 is in your table, that is in trigonometry table? No, right? In trigonometry, what are the values? 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90, right? So this value, it is not in your trigonometry table. Then how to find this sine 75? See here. So what is to find? Find a sine 75. So sine 75 degree. Sine 75 degree. So now I will split this 75 as from your table, that is sine 30 plus 45 degree. Sine 30 plus 45 degree, or you can write sine 45 degree plus 30 degree. 45 plus 30 is 75 degree. 30 plus 45 is 75 degree. So why I am writing this 30 and 45? Can't I write 20 and 55? 20 and 55 also 75, right? But I am not writing in this form, or I am not writing at 73 and 2. 73 plus 2 is how much here? 75. Why I am not writing in this form? Why I am not writing? Because 20 degree it is not in your table. 55 degree also it is not in your trigonometry table. Similarly, these two values are not in your table. So then write this 75 as from your trigonometric table. So I am writing 30 plus 45. 30 degree that is there in your table, 45 also it is there in your table. You can write 30 plus 45 or 45 plus 30. Understood? No? Why to take only 30 and 45? Because 30 and 45 are from your table. That gives as a 75 degree. So now that is equal to, now how to split this one? So while reading only you can understand which formula to apply out of those 46 formulas whatever I listed. Now it is like sine 30 degree plus 45 degree. So which formula it is? Sine x plus y. Is it right? Yes. So here you have to use sine x plus y. So I'll write using the formula. Using the formula is sine x plus y. So sine x plus y is what? It is sine x cos y plus cos x sine y. This is your formula. Now what is your replacement? X is 30. Here x is 30 degree and y is 45 degree. Y is 45 degree. So now cos, not cos, sine 75 degree is equal to what? Sine 30 plus 45 degree, or you can write 45 plus 30. So now that is equal to apply. Sine x plus y is sine x. So sine x is what? 30 degree. Cos y is 45 degree, right? Sine x 30 degree, cos y 45 degree, plus cos x sine y, plus cos x is 30 degree, sine y is 45 degree. Now you know all these values, right? So that is sine 75 degree. Now substitute these values from your trigonometric table. So it is sine 75 is equal to sine 75 is equal to sine 30. Sine 30. What is the value of sine 30? Sine 30 is 1 by 2. Is it right? Into cos 45. Cos 45 is what? 1 by root 2, right? Plus cos 30. Cos 30 is what? Root 3 by 2. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Sin 45 is 1 by root 2. So, substituting those values. Clear? Yes. Now, sin 75 degree is equal to, yes. Now, 1 by 2 into 1 by root 2. What is your answer? 1 into 1 is 1 divided by 2 into root 2 is 2 root 2. Right? Yes. Plus root 3 divided by 2 into 1 divided by root 2. So, root 3 into 1 is root 3 divided by 2 into root 2 is root 2. Root 2. So now sin 75 degree is equal to, now it is 1 by 2 root 2 plus root 3 divided by 2 root 2. How to simplify? By taking LCM, right? So 2 root 2 and 2 root 2 LCM is 2 root 2, correct no? So denominator same is direct numerator addition. So 1 plus root 3. So this is your answer. So what is your sin 75 degree? Sin 75 degree is 1 plus root 3 divided by 2 root 2. So therefore sin 75 degree is equal to 1 plus root 3 divided by 2 root 2. 1 plus root 3 divided by 2 root 2. Important question for 2 marks. Now next question, find the value of cos 75 degree. Same as the sin 75 degree, simplification. So now answer cos 75 degree, right? Cos 75 degree. Now you should simplify this 75 from your table. How we can split the 75? 75 can be written as 30 plus 45 or 45 plus 30. Both are same. So I'll write cos 30 degree plus 45 degree. Cos 30 degree plus 45 degree. Now for this one, which formula we can apply here? Cos x plus y, right? So using the formula is cos x plus y, right? Cos x plus y, the formula is what out of those 46? Cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. So now simplification, cos 75 degree is equal to cos 30 degree plus 45 degree. 30 degree plus 45 degree. So which is equal to cos x plus y. X is 30, y is 45 degree. So which is equal to cos x cos y. Cos 30 into cos 45 degree minus sin x sin y. Sin x is 30 degree, sin y is 45 degree. Y is 45 degree. So now cos 75 is equal to cos 75 degree is equal to, now substitute those values. Cos 30, what is the value of cos 30? Root 3 divided by 2 into cos 45 is 1 by root 2 minus sin 30 is 1 by 2 into sin 45 is 1 by root 2. So now simplification, cos 75 degree is equal to, cos 75 degree is equal to root 3 divided by 2 into 1 by root 2, right? What is the answer? Root 3 into 1 is root 3, 2 into root 2 is 2 root 2. So answer is root 3 divided by 2 root 2 minus 1 by 2 into 1 by root 2. 1 into 1 is 1, 2 into root 2 is 2 root 2. So it is 1 by 2 root 2. So it is cos 75 degree is equal to 2 root 2. 2 root 2 is root 3 minus 1. Correct? No, LCM is same. So this is answer. So therefore the value of, therefore cos 75 is equal to 75 degree is equal to root 3 minus 1 divided by 2 root 2. Root 3 minus 1 divided by 2 root 2. Important question for 2 marks. So now next we will discuss the find the value of, next question important, the value of tan 75 degree. Tan 75 degree. Yes, how to split now? If it is a sin 75 degree, which formula we use? Sin x plus y. If it is cos 75, which formula we use? We use cos x plus y. So suppose if it is tan x plus y, what is your formula? So I'll write directly using your answer, using tan, which formula it is? Tan x plus y. Is it right? Yes. How to split that 75? 30 plus 45 or 45 plus 30. So now using this formula, so that is equal to tan x plus tan y divided by 1 minus tan x into tan y, right? Yes, now use that formula for this tan 75. So now tan 75 degree, first split as what? Tan 30 plus 45 degree. Tan 30 plus 45 degree. So now tan 75 degree is equal to tan x plus y. That is tan x, tan 30 degree plus tan 45 degree divided by 1 minus tan 30 degree into tan 45 degree. Is it right substitution? Tan x is tan 30 plus tan y is tan 45 divided by 1 minus tan 30 into tan 45. So now tan 75 degree is equal to tan 30. What is the value of tan 30? 1 by root 3 minus plus tan 45 is 1. So careful about numerator. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3 plus tan 45 is 1 divided by 1 minus tan 30 is 1 by root 3 into tan 45 is 1. Clear this substitution? Tan 30 is 1 by root 3 plus tan 45 is 1 divided by 1 minus tan 30 is 1 by root 3 into 1. So now next tan 75 degree is equal to, now simplification. This is your numerator, this is your denominator. Now simplify this numerator. How to simplify that numerator? Numerator is 1 by root 3 plus 1, right? So that means you have to take LCM. LCM of what? 1 can be written as 1 divided by 1, right? So root 3 and 1, the LCM is root 3. So tan 75 degree is equal to, yes, so root 3 and 1, the LCM is root 3, the numerator part. Root 3 how much? It is 1 sa, 1 how much? It is root 3, correct no? So 1 into 1 is 1 plus 1 into root 3 is root 3, right? Now see the denominator. Denominator is 1 minus 1 divided by root 3 into 1. 1 divided by root 3 into 1 means it is 1 by root 3. So now denominator 1 means what it is? 1 by 1. So root 3 and 1, the LCM is root 3. So 1 how much it is? Root 3. Root 3 how much? It is 1. So 1 into root 3 is root 3 minus 1 into 1 is 1. So this is your numerator part and this is your denominator part. So to avoid confusion, I am writing this part is numerator, this part is denominator. So similarly, this part is numerator and this part is denominator. So now tan 75 degree is equal to, tan 75 degree is equal to, can you cancel this root 3 and this root 3? Yes. Numerator root 3 and denominator root 3 I can cancel, right? So I am cancelling that. So I will get 1 by root 3, sorry 1 plus root 3 divided by root 3 minus 1. So this is your answer. Further you can simplify by taking rationalize, that is not important. So therefore tan 75 degree is equal to, tan 75 degree is 1 plus root 3 divided by root 3 minus 1. 1 plus root 3 divided by root 3 minus 1. So important for 2 marks. Find sin 75, cos 75 and tan 75. Next, find the value of sin 15 degree. So now how to use here? See this one. Sin 15, alright. Again from the table itself you have to select the values. So now sin 15 degree. Sin 15 degree. So what are the table values? Table values are 0, 45, 60 and 90 and 30 degree. Correct no? 30 degree. So now how to select this one? You can take any two angles so that the answer should be 50. So here is subtraction of two numbers. So 45 and 30. So 45 minus 30, how much it is? 15. So this is possible. So I can write this 15 as 45 minus 30. So now next, is it possible? 60 and 45. 60 minus 45. Is this possible? Yeah, here 10 means 5. 5 and 1. 5 minus 4 is 1. So means again it is 15 degree. So 15 and next 90 and 60, is it possible? 90 minus 30, is it possible? 45 minus 0, is it possible? No. So possible is 45 and 30 and one more is 60 and 45 degree. See now these two angles, clear no? Yes, so 60 table, 45 is also table, 45 table and 30 also table. So you can write that 15 as 60 minus 45 or 45 minus 30. So I will write here sine as 45 degree minus 30 degree, but don't write 30 minus 45. This is wrong. What is answer of 30 minus 45? 30 minus 45. See, 30 and 45 minus, right? So different sign means subtraction. 45 and 30, the subtraction is 50. The greater sign is minus. So it is 45 minus 30. See. So different sign, subtraction 45 and 30, the simplification is 50, the greater sign is plus 50. So you need sign plus 50, not minus 15. So you can't write 30 minus 45, but in 75 you can write as 30 plus 45 or 45 plus 30, both are same. 30 plus 45 answer is 75, 45 plus 30 is answer is 75, clear, no difference. Yes, 45 minus 30. So now which formula to use? Here sine 45 minus 30 means the formula is sine x minus y, right? So yes, using the formula is sine x minus y. Sin x minus y formula is what? Sin x cos y minus cos x sin y. Sin x cos y minus cos x sin y. Let's now substitute here. Sin 15 degree is equal to sin 45 minus 30 degree. 45 minus 30 degree. So which is equal to sin 15 degree, which is equal to sin 45 minus. So sin x minus y, it is sin x 45 into cos 30 degree minus cos 45 degree into sin 30 degree. Cos 45 into sin 30 degree. So now sin 15 degree is equal to sin 45. So what is the value of sin 45? 1 by root 2 into cos 30 is what? Root 3 divided by 2. Correct no? Yes, minus cos 45 is 1 by root 2 into sin 30 is 1 by 2. You know the simplification, correct no? So now sin 15 degree is equal to 1 by root 2 into root 3 by 2. So 1 into root 3 is root 3 divided by root 2 into 2 is 2 root 2. Next minus 1 into 1 is 1 divided by root 2 into 2 is 2 root 2. Now how to simplify these two? By taking LCM. So sin 15 degree is equal to 2 root 2 is LCM. So the numerator part is root 3 minus 1. So therefore the value of sin 15 degree is equal to root 3 minus 1 divided by 2 root 2. Sin 15 degree is root 3 minus 1 divided by 2 root 2. So important question for 2 marks. Next, take 2 questions as homework. Find the value of cos 15 degree and tan 15 degree. You know how to split this cos 15 degree as equal to cos 45 minus 30 degree. Next, which formula to use? Cos x minus y. Next, tan 15 degree can be written as tan 45 minus 30. So which formula? Next, tan x minus y. So those two as homework. Yes, thank you.
Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.